What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am coming to show you how you can add YouTube subscribe button to your videos in KineMaster. So please, if this video is what you are looking for, subscribe to this channel, like and comment so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be the first person to get it. So without wasting my time, let's dive into the video. Before we start, please, you need to have your phone, you need to have your KineMaster application, and that's all. And also you need to have your YouTube subscribe button on YouTube. You have to download it from YouTube and to your gallery so that you can use it. Yes, if you haven't seen anyone, please, I have some in my channel. You can go and find it, copy the link and go to vidmate and download the video. Use the green screen one, please. Use the green screen one. So if you have everything here, please, let's get started. Before you start, please, you have to input your video, the video that you want to use. Please bring your video here. Okay, if you have a video now, I'm not using a video, I'm just using a picture. Yes, I'm just using a picture, but if you have a video, you can use the video. Yes, so I'm using two pictures. Okay, after having your videos, then you can add your green screen. You have to use the overlay. Your video will be the first video or the first media, and the subscribe button will be at the second media, which is the overlay. So it will be on top of your video. So in KineMaster, after using the first media, you have to use the layer as your layer. You have to use the place or the part where it is written layer. Yes, this place. Yes, you have to use this place and add your subscribe button. So I'm going to media, and I have my YouTube subscribe button here. So let me add it. It is in green screen. It is in green screen. Yes, here is it. Yeah, I have to make it small. It is long and I have to make it small. So that's it. After you have it here, please minimize it in a small way. Make it small so that it won't cover all your screen. Yes, here is it. Okay, so after having it here, please, you have to do a chroma. You have to use the chroma key and chrome it so that the green screen will remove and it will be transparent for you to use it on your video. So go here, click on the layer or the video, the subscribe button, and come to chroma key. Here is it. Okay, enable it, and boom, it has been removed. The green screen has been removed. So that's all. So let's play it now. Because I downloaded it from YouTube, so they added some music to it. So if maybe you don't want to use that music, you can click here and go to mixer and click on here. You click on the media, then you cancel the music. You click on the speaker, then you cancel the music. That's it. Okay, so after that, play it. Okay, and here is it. Okay, so please, this is the end of the video. If you really like this video, please subscribe to this channel, like and comment so that anytime I upload a video, you will be the first person to get it. So see you next time.